10 plus most important questions and answer that asked in different interview to get a job. So I am Ramashish Gupta. This is Ramashish Gupta, civil engineer. In this video, I wanna share you all these questions and answers. So let's jump to the videos. What are the responsibility of a construction manager? The responsibility of a construction manager are cost estimations, pre-purchase of selected materials, selection of bidder for bidding phases, construction supervision, cost control of constructions, construction scheduling and monitoring, construction contract negotiations, and analysis of proposal. List out the potential risk factors for workers on the construction site. Potential risk factors for worker on the construction site are falls from height, scaffold and trench collapse, electric shock and arc blast, repetitive motion injuries, not using personal protective equipments correctly. What are the common ways of demolition? Hydro demolition, pressure bursting, and dismantling. Explain what is flashing. Flushing is an extended construction that is done to seal and protect joints in a building from water penetration. Flushing is installed at the intersection roof, walls, and parapets. List out some of the software programs that can be used for architecture. The software is AutoCAD, Revit, 3ds Max, SketchUp, Photoshop, Adobe Creative Suite, Microsoft Office, and digital media. What is the difference between one-way slab and two-way slab? The differences is for one-way slab, ratio of longer span and shorter span is greater than 2. For two-way slab, ratio of longer span and shorter span is less than equal to 2. What is the crank length in the slab? The crank length in slab is 0.42 times d, where d is depth of slab minus top cover minus bottom cover. What is grouting? Grouting is a fluid form of concrete which is used to fill the voids. What do you mean by segregation? Segregation is a separation of cement, sand from aggregate. This is caused due to water-cement ratio and when concrete is poured about more than 1.5 meter height. What is the initial and final setting time of concrete? Initial setting time is 30 minutes and final setting time of concrete is 10 hours. What are the concrete tests? There are different concrete tests like slump test, compressive strength test, water permeability test, water absorption test. What is bleeding in concrete? Bleeding is one form of segregation where water comes out to the surface of the concrete and being lowest specific gravity among all the ingredients of concrete. What is the function of stirrup in the column? Stirrups are provided to handle the shear force and to hold the rear main bar in positions. Describe the various types of slump test indications. Slump tests are used to measure the consistency of fresh concrete before it sets. They can also be used to check for an improperly mixed batch of concrete as well. Now let's see the various types of slump test. There are three different types of slumps that occurs in slump test, like true slump, shear slump, and collapse slump. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get latest videos.